Hey there, Foundations. Today is Monday, May 4th, and may the 4th be with you. So, this is the penultimate week of our e learning. This week we'll have our instruction. Next week is a wave week, and the week of the 18th through the 22nd is our final week of e learning. And so, first, we're going to go through what we're going to do these last 2 weeks of instruction and then get to some district updates as we close out this school year. So today we're going to be looking at 5.3 on writing linear inequalities from word problems and being able to solve and graph those. And then tomorrow will be your test. This is a 50-point major test on Unit 5. So it goes back to what we did Thursday and Friday of the previous e-learning week. And so that is all on that test. Then Wednesday and Thursday, we will be starting Unit 6 on solving systems of linear equations by graphing. You'll have a quiz on that on Friday, and we'll also look at some instruction on 6.2 on solving systems by substitution. So that is this week. Then obviously you have your wave week next week, the week of the 11th. And then the week of the 18th, this is how we'll close out. We'll finish off 6.2 on Monday with a quiz on that on Tuesday. Then we'll do 6.3, finishing that Tuesday, Wednesday. You'll have a quiz on 6.3 on Thursday with the test on Unit 6. That is a 100-point major test on Unit 6 on Friday, May 22nd. So that is the plan for our final 10 days of instruction. Now, let me talk about some major things that I need to hit on. For those of you who have been keeping up with your work, thank you. Thank you, because you are doing what you need to do during this time to stay caught up. This next part is for those who have not. If you are struggling to get your work done, now's the time to kick it into gear because you have 3 weeks left. Because on May 22nd is when I will be dropping all the zeros in for everything that is missing. If it's currently got that little orange box on it and you're like, oh, it doesn't count. It counts, people. It counts. And the zero will go in for all of those assignments on May 22nd. And that is all on quarter 4, except for the first week that we were on e-learning back in March. So you have to get yourself in gear now. If you are missing work, get it done now. Don't wait for the wave week next week. You need to start working on it now because I know I'm not giving you a ton of work these next 2 weeks. Obviously, you're going to have some every day, but you're not going to have 3 hours of work from me. You're going to have about 45 minutes to an hour every day to get what you need to get done. But that also tells me that you have not been doing what you need to do for the last month. That is now on you. So, with that being said, you need to get your stuff in now. Okay? For the assignments that you have missing, May 22nd, those zeros are going in. May 26th is the last day at noon that I will accept any missing work because my grades are due May 27th, Wednesday at noon. I need time to get those last assignments graded that some of you are going to wait to the absolute last minute to get turned in. If it is turned in after May 26th at noon, I'm not grading it because at that point I need to finish off grades and get them submitted. So with that being said, get it done. I can't put it any other way. Get it done. If you're having issues, reach out. But you need to make that contact. Y'all have had so much time to get this stuff done, and some of you have 0 items done in a month. Some of you have some items done, and you've done a few things here. You've taken a quiz, you've taken a couple assignments and got them turned in. Great. Get everything else done. Because on May 22nd, all those zeros are going to hit, and for some of you, it is going to turn you into a failing grade, and you will not pass this course, and you'll be taking foundations again next semester in the fall with next year's freshmen. And you will be listed as a freshman, because failing foundations means you don't have a math credit. And so, therefore, you are still a freshman next year. I hope I get this point across to you as much as I can over this video, because for some of you, you need to get it in gear now. And that's where I'm just going to leave it. So with that being said, other district updates. Obviously, if graduation is still on, May 29th for any of you who have senior siblings. And obviously, you should have gotten the notification late last week that there are only 2 tickets for graduation. And so that is the update on that. Graduation is still scheduled for May 29th, Saturday at 9:45 a.m. at the stadium. So again, that is for our seniors. Again, if you have any siblings who need that information, it was sent out Friday. You also should have got a call from Marianne Bird on yesterday, middle afternoon is about when it came through. And again, that was just reiterating what I've just said in this video, that e-learning is happening this week, Wave Week next week, and then e-learning the week of the 18th with the last day of assignments being May 22nd. So again, with all those things being said, this is where we're at. You have 3 weeks left to get what you need to get done. Okay? Get it done now. Don't procrastinate. Get it done. That's all I can say at this point, y'all. Office hours are 11 to 2. If you need my help, all you need to do is send me a quick email. Say, hey, can we do a Google Meet? There is a link in the top of your Google Classroom. So again, go to my class page, so hit Foundations. And then you'll see the class code that's at the top. And then right below that says Google Meet. You click on that link. It's going to open Google Meet. You might have to run an update the first time you run it. I had a student last week who had an issue with that. But once they restarted their computer, the update was fine. And so they were able to do the Google Meet. So again, if you're having any issues with Google Meet, that might be the issue. Open it. And if it's not letting you get in, do a restart and do that. But again, email me first so that way I know which Google Meet to open up, if it's for first block or for second block, because they are 2 separate meetings in Google Classroom. So make sure you get that taken care of. So with that being said, make sure you watch the announcement video. I'm going to put the word of the day right here. The word of the day is May the 4th be with you. Again, May the 4th be with you for all my Star Wars fans. And y'all have a great day. Stay safe. Stay home. I know those restaurants are opening up for outdoor service today by the governor's order. So, get some good food. But again, stay socially distancing and stay healthy, y'all. Y'all have a good one.